Only the real deal, yo. Come shop at the best jewelry store in town.
SB Customs. SB Customs.
Fell asleep counting the money, huh? Now I'm dreaming about the money, huh? Woke up thinking about the money, hey. Keep my jeans filled with hundreds, huh? Got them fuck niggas out.
What is up, gang? You see where we at, man? I'm in here cashing out one time. New chain, had to upgrade. Had to upgrade, gang. So got up in here. SB Customs, man, in the mall, South Lake. Y'all ever need the jewelry, y'all ever need the hookup, man, come to SB. Matter of fact, there's it on the wall behind me right there. SB Customs. It gets you right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that thing.
What's going on?
Got the diamond tester. It's going down. Make sure you know. Look at this ring. Got a Super Bowl ring on. Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all ready?
Real deal.
Only the real deal, yo. Come shop at the best jewelry store in town.
SB Customs. SB Customs. South Lake Mall, man. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen it with your own eyes. You seen it here first. Got the Super Bowl ring, man. SB Customs.
Yes, sir.
Too cool, man. You too cool. You part of the game. Alright, gang. You see where we at, man. Coming from the goddamn mall. Drip check. Polo down. Oh, if y'all can see that. Hold on, I'm spinning. Boy, messed it up all the way right. Upgraded, you can see. A little bit bigger 100 on my neck. Keep it 100. Y'all seen the diamond test, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I'm gonna start taking y'all with me a little bit more, man. I'm trying to get into this lifestyle thing, man. Y'all like seeing your boy out in these streets. So, yeah, man, that's what I'm gonna do. Check me. Y'all see what it is. Nobody out here fucking with her. Woo! Yes, sir. Man, y'all enjoyed the video, man. Go ahead, drop a like. Go ahead, subscribe, man. It's free. And yeah, man, join the gang, man. Gang.
Brave. Yeah. Why I gotta change my tone? Why I gotta change my tone?
Man, real
Why I gotta change my
man.
tone?
Muse on deck. I don't know about the muse, man. On deck. Real nigga shit, man. On the muse.
Watch me some what? Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right. I didn't know you said kicker. Oh, ain't you for real? Screaming like a motherfucker on that bitch. God, this nigga like 80, bro. I'm here screaming on
Hello!
Hello.
Hello!
Hello. You got me some what? What do she got you? Shit. That granny, man. That granny. She gotta talk loud, the granny, man. You gotta talk loud, the granny, man.